It's feeding time at the zoo. I know. Hi. It's Roger. That's Mr. Specs. And there's Black Beauty, who I can't keep a hold on. I can't see. And there's Mrs. Sid, one of the pullets we have. And then here's Mr. Sid. I don't think we can keep all our cockerels somehow. Okay, so then we come down here, we've got horses eating. And then we've got Henny Penny. Isn't she beautiful? And then we've got, I don't have a name for that hen, that beautiful big hen there. I think it's a hen. Come back, guys. Oh, damn, I hate that. I was trying to get nice video footage of them all and they've run off. Hey, you've got heaps of food. There's Mrs. Specs. Well, you've lost all your food. That is all I can say. Lots of food. Missing out. There's so much. Well, I know. Where did they go? Where did they go? What a beautiful bird. Where did they go? Are you guys coming back? Oh, there's a girl. And that's definitely a female guinea sound. Yeah. I've got plenty of female guineas. I don't know, I haven't worked out from a lot of the little ones what they are yet. They don't make a lot of noise unless they're lost. There's a banana peel there. Chickies! You're not going to come over and finish your pellets? Okay, so, here's some more chickies. Here's a ducky. There was Tiny. Tiny, I can't keep up with you. There's Tiny. Okay. We're back to Roger. We're back to probably, I don't know which duck is which. Hi guys, did you follow me back? There's Blair. And here's Edwin. You're looking at me, darling. I know. He sometimes sleeps next to me. He'll sit down and have a rest. Like actually take a load off. There's a snowflake coming in the distance. Who is also a boy, I'm pretty sure. What you doing? So we will have to have a selection at some point over the birds. It's not what anyone wants, is it? I know, I'm scaring the geese. This is a boy. Yeah. Snowflake's a boy. You're a boy, I know. I know. And then Mr. Specs is a boy. You can see the saddle feathers coming in. This is my beautiful sweetie, who I'm in denial about being a boy. Hey sweetie, can you be a pullet? Because I've just got like too many roosters. Don't tell me your saddle feathers are coming in. Beautiful bird. Okay, well, I wanted to get a whole lot of the other birds. They've all gone off. And one duck up here and one duck down with all the other chickens. I know. And too much food scattered around for this time of day. I put out too much. I know, you're a good boy. I know. I know, you're a good boy. Gonna slide down the mud? You're gonna have some dry weather, aren't we? We'll see what happens. You my good boy? Yeah, you are. Yeah, and a good girl. I know. I know. Yeah. Hello. I know. I've got a guinea fowl trapped in my cabin. I feel like a prison keeper, you know. Well, we've missed the last of the sun for our video. The sun's going over the hill. And that's the end of that. And then I'll leave you on this. On these. And say, oh well, actually I should show you the horses down there. The ones that ran away and came back. Yay! Okay. Oh no, I'll finish on sweeting. Bye, sweetie. Lovely to see you, darling. Bye, my baby. I hope you're by some freak chance a pullet. Because I'm going to have to cull. I don't want to cull, sweetie. I've got 3 black ones and they're not looking good in terms of sex. Okay, bye.